No, everything I've said about this community is true. And what's happening right now is damage control and manipulation because they know that they're fucked up and are caught up and can and will go to jail for this. So these gang stalkers can see you because they hack you. And this is the nature of the demonic terrorism. So they construct misleading narratives that distort events. So for example, if someone sees you crying because you were overwhelmed by false accusations or mistreatment, then after that, you spoke something against this individual. A person who's a paid tarot reader or a false prophet could later reframe this event saying that someone is crying before they attack you, reframing your tears as some form of guilt and reframing you as speaking out the truth about someone as an attack on someone, which is a lie. So I have provided screenshots before catching the same tarot readers whistleblowing about someone paying tarot readers to produce false narratives. So for years I have been battling with this where this individuals will intentionally distort what was actually happening. Yesterday, I was talking to my mother about someone whom I know betrayed me. So it was just a personal conversation. But I believe because these individuals are watching you hacking, they then flip the scripts where they will produce readings that will say that someone was talking about a victim and that she's being slandered, was working with a group to sabotage this victim. When in reality, this is what's really happening. That the other person was working with a group to sabotage me with slander and lies for years. Okay? For years. Being the villain of her story in all these fabricated narratives. And even after the truth came out, that it is so evident to see the efforts of this group to switch the roles and try to vilify every action I take just for this other individual to be the victim. I even saw one. She created a narrative about that. That was just today. She said that someone is in regret for what they started against you, and they didn't get the reaction out of you that they were hoping for. And someone thought you were weak and insecure like them, so they wanted to create drama silently in the hopes that you would react. And this backfired on them, exposing them as the real drama starter. Now, they're reacting through their own exposure. So let's dissect this, alright? She said silently creating drama. So how does this work? Silently means covert. She said silently creating drama to make you react. So how? It is when the person is trying to silently antagonize her target to make that target react, and do this silently by using covert symbolism like lol. So this is happening to me, alright? But the tarot reader said something about now they're reacting through their own exposure. Now let me clarify, okay? All I know is my truth is not a reaction of my own exposure. So this is how destiny swapping works. It's like swapping your energies. So what the flying monkeys does is this. They will try to create a story that is actually true to your experiences. Like being plotted on, bullied, and being hated on. Not because I'm a criminal. It is because I am being sabotaged and assassinated by an energy who really wanted to be me. But they will then try to recreate the story and put all the credit on the other person. And because they are all in it, and there's some corruption happening here, and because of their fear of exposure, the smear campaign revolve around discrediting the truth teller. And that means creating stories to defend the perpetrator and antagonizing the real victim. And these fabricated stories will look like an an effort to invalidate your truth, saying that you're a liar because this individual is really a good person. But if you think about it, if someone is covertly harassing you and that this whole gang stalking operation is covert, would you think that someone will be too obvious to be demonic? Notice that all these deceptive liars all came off and is claiming that they are good enough light. So it doesn't match the reality, because if they can pay readers to hide the crime by means of manipulation of stories, it shows how desperate this perpetrator is to hide who they really are. And of course, like everything else, this is what's happening to me. Where they were creating all the stories about this karmic queen of wands, going through shit. And in some cases, sick, went to jail, or is in a group recruiting people. But this is far from reality of what is happening and what I am naturally. So it's all fake stories and are all just illusions of the narcissist. LOL. And these commenters who confirms it's lol are as delusional and are all part of the gang stalking. So there was a screenshot that I have seen from a tarot reader who spoke about someone who wanted to be the divine feminine, that what she was doing was intentionally lying about someone. And of course, if you're not the divine feminine, you will be automatically be the karmic, right? You see, I don't even care about this role because I don't believe in a label of superiority like this. Just don't put me in a role that doesn't fit and take my experiences. You see, the collapse is inevitable. I don't react. I speak when I want to. You just cannot control it. But I have no obligation to spare your lies when it's time. If you truly want to free yourselves from the consequences of what you've done, then tell the truth about the person who paid for that spiritual hit against me. Continuing to lie, manipulate the narrative, and provoke me will only make things worse and will backfire like everything else. There are individuals out there who was antagonizing me but then will mirror my experiences, saying that they were going through the same. It's called energetic forgery. You see, this mirroring of experiences is not an admiration, where at the same time they were also trying to destroy the real. It has something to do with a personality disorder.